Did you know the personality you think is you may not be your original self? Before we go deeper, one important thing. Every subscriber to this channel helps us move closer to supporting homeless people using YouTube earnings. So if you are watching this right now, please hit the subscribe button. It costs nothing, but it helps us create shelter and support for people who have no home. Ancient texts describe something disturbing. A false identity gets built inside humans very early in life, not through possession, not through force, but through conditioning. And once installed, it quietly runs your decisions, fears, and reactions while pretending to be you. According to forgotten Gnostic writings, humans are born with pure awareness, no labels, no shame, no self-hatred. But very early, something changes. The world teaches you who to be before you ever discover who you are. You are not enough. You must fit in. Do not be weak, be afraid of failure. These ideas do not arrive as lessons. They arrive as repeated emotional experiences, and slowly they form a second self. Ancient teachers called this the counterfeit self. It looks like you. It talks like you. It reacts before you think. But it is built entirely from fear, memory, and survival. This false self has one main goal: control through emotion. It keeps you stuck in regret about the past or anxiety about the future, because presence would expose it. If this is already making sense to you, pause for a moment. Comment "I understand" and subscribe right now. Remember, from YouTube earnings, our long-term goal is to support homeless people and help provide shelter. Every single subscriber watching this content plays a role. Modern psychology unknowingly supports this idea. Most human reactions happen before conscious thought, meaning something else is choosing for you. The ancient explanation was that this something is not your true consciousness. The false self survives on comparison, validation, approval, and fear of rejection. That is why social pressure feels painful. That is why criticism hurts more than it should. You are not protecting your body. You are protecting an identity that was never real. The Gnostic texts warn that once a person fully identifies with this false self, they become predictable, easy to manipulate, easy to divide, easy to control. Here is the most uncomfortable truth. The false self cannot exist in the present moment. It lives only in memory and imagination. That is why silence feels uncomfortable. That is why boredom scares people. Because when there is no story, there is no false identity to maintain. Your real self does not need defense. It does not argue. It does not panic. It does not crave validation. It simply observes. Ancient practices were not about becoming powerful. They were about uninstalling what was never you, not by fighting it, but by noticing it. The moment you observe an emotion instead of reacting, the false self weakens. The moment you question a belief instead of obeying it, the program breaks. Awareness ends the loop. This is why the ancient texts say, knowledge is not learned, it is remembered. You are not becoming something new. You are removing something false. So next time you feel triggered, instead of asking, "Why am I like this?" ask who is being threatened right now and stay silent. If this video gave you clarity, comment "I see it now." And once again, please subscribe, because every subscriber watching this content helps us use YouTube earnings in the future to support homeless people and provide shelter. Hit the subscribe button from everyone who is watching this. You were never broken. You were conditioned.